Today, you may ask, Sir, what are we going to learn in today's class? My answer may surprise you. We will start from the very beginning, from ABC. Yes, I know what you are thinking. Sir, everyone knows ABC. Why are you wasting our time? Please listen carefully. Many times we think we know something very well, but actually we miss small things, and these small things make a big difference. Let me give you a simple example. Think about a cricket team. One player alone is just a player, but when all players come together, they become a strong team, right? In the same way, A, B, C are only letters, but when all 26 letters come together from A to Z, they become the alphabet. So remember this clearly. One is letter, all together are the alphabet. In English, every letter has two forms. One is capital letter and the another one is a small letter. You must know both very well. Now write and say with me. Let's start our practice for today. Capital A, small a. The sound is A. Sometimes it sounds like A, like in the word apple. Now B. Capital B, small b. The sound is B, like the car name BMW. Now C. Capital C, small c. Mostly the sound is K, like cafe. But be careful. Sometimes C sounds like S, like city or cigarette. Yes, English is something confusing, but don't worry. We are going to learn it step by step. Now let's move forward. D for dominoes, E for email, F for Facebook. G is usually G, like Google. But sometimes it sounds like J, like jam. H for Himalaya, I for Instagram, J for Jack and Jones. Are you understanding? Good. We are doing great. K for Kingfisher, L for Limca, M for Microsoft, N for Netflix, O for Oppo, P for Pepsi, Q for Quick, R for Red Bull. Did you see? You already know many English words from brands and apps. Now, last few letters are left here. So let's practice with them too. S for Starbucks, T for TikTok, U for Uber, V for Vivo, W for WhatsApp, X for Xiaomi, Y for Yatra, and Z for Zara. Amazing. You already know English sounds from your daily life. Now something very important. Sometimes letters come together and make a new sound. Let's take some examples. C plus H, CH, sound is cha, like chat. P plus H, fa, sound is fa, like phone or photo. These sounds are very important and clear speaking. Now listen to a common mistake. Sa and sha. SAM is same. Sound comes from your front teeth. And SHAM is shame. This sound comes from your inside mouth. If you don't practice, people may hear something like that. When you speak seat instead of sheet, people may confuse. When you speak cell instead of shell, people might confuse while having conversation with you. So please practice in front of mirror. Now, one more secret. Some letters are written but we don't speak them. These are called silent letters. Let's take some examples. In listen, T is silent. In sign, G is silent. In bridge, D is silent. They look silent, but they are very important. This is the last secret for today. Words like name, game have E at the end, but we don't pronounce it. This silent E changes the sound. Listen to me. Without E, game becomes gum. So never try to ignore silent letters. They are very powerful. If you like this video and the easy way of learning, please subscribe now the channel. We will learn slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm proud of you for starting from the basics. And remember one thing, strong English starts from strong basics.